Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix PayPal payment declined or transaction failed on iPhone. First of all, check your payment method. Ensure your linked card or bank account has enough balance in it and it's active. Next, verify account information. Make sure your billing address, card number and expiration date match exactly with your bank records. Some transactions may be blocked by your bank or PayPal for security reasons. Contact your bank if needed. Now we are going to update your app. Go to the App Store, search for PayPal and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update your app to the latest version, and if it still does not work, then delete and reinstall it to fix potential app bugs. Privacy tip: only use your own verified accounts to avoid failed transactions. Quick fix: if it still fails, retry the payment using a different card or bank account. Log out and log back in to refresh your sessions. Contact PayPal support with the transaction ID for help. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast PayPal